Hi there, would you like to save time? Hidden behind a wall switch and easy to install within minutes, I add where I'd like one or several lighting controls. Firstly, I connect the micro receiver right to the point of lighting or hidden behind a wall socket. Then I couple up one microtransmitter to the existing wall switch. Lastly, on the right spot, I couple up one microtransmitter to the new wall switch. Done deal. Now, from either wall switch, I turn on and off lighting. To ease my life, a remote control both main and any other lighting connected. Thanks to wireless micromodules, it is easy to install a two-way control or to reposition a wall switch anywhere.